The new A3 UV DTF printer has just arrived. It hosts CMYK, white and varnish inks, and yet it uses a single-sealed Epson DX7 printhead, rotated at 60 degrees for maximum printing efficiency. It houses the standard 300mm film rolls and includes ink-grip software. Also just in are the new FlexiSoft UV inks. These amazing ink types are stretchable and flexible in nature. The new FlexiSoft UV inks pair well with the original hard UV inks, as you now have a greater variety to choose from, depending on your need. And actually, you can use the FlexiSoft UV inks on any UV printer, such as the flatbed UV printer or any of our UV DTF printers, the A3 UV DTF, the 300 UV DTF, or the 600 UV DTF. Changing between ink types is possible. Just ensure that you flush the entire system with cleaning liquid before filling with the new ink. Come on over and take a look at the new A3 UV DTF and the amazing new FlexiSoft inks in action for yourself.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process.
Just for you.